All right, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be doing the unboxing of this cell phone holder. So if you watch my last video where I did the review of the Beaver, I used a stand in the middle and I don't think that was professional at all, or it looked pretty ugly, right? So I bought this iPhone holder. So I haven't even opened it, right? So we're gonna go through together and try to unbox this, and I'm gonna try to set it up to see if it's gonna be a good setup for what I'm doing, which is reviewing products. Right, so let's go ahead and get started. So this is this company, actually I paid this myself, right? So no one is telling me what to do or to say. But LISEN, I don't know if I pronounce it right. Phone accessories, right? So this is the box that it comes in. And then on the back, it says here, cantilever bracket. And then on the back of it, it'll tell you here, at LISEN, we are committed to providing hassle-free shopping experience for each and every customer. Please feel free, welcome to contact us. So if you have any questions, and they have the email for support. This one is Shenzhen, China Technology, and they have all of their address information there. And it's made in China, 2024. So this came out quite a bit already, right? So let's go ahead and unbox it. So first thing we see is the instructions. Tells you what to do. So if you're not sure, it's something like a robot hand like that, or arm that will be stretching out, and we'll be clamping it into either at the end of the desk or table, or maybe to a little bit like a 1 inch or shelf, right, that we can clamp onto. So we'll put that aside first, right? And what is this? This is like another instruction, I guess, or sticker. What is this? Maybe you scan this and you register the product. Who knows? Put it aside. And then what we have here, let's open it. Maybe this is good for cable management, I guess. Some clips, right? There's like 4 of them. Put it aside, right? And then what else do we have? We have this. What is this? Right? Oh, this is the phone holder. So how do you open it? Right? This is the phone holder. Put it aside for now. What is this? Looks like it's the bottom bracket that one might be screwing it into the clamp it in or screwing it in, right? Right. Put it aside for now. And what else underneath? And underneath, we have this arm, robotic arms, right? Let's put this aside over here. And, oh, there we go. We opened it. Close it. All right. All right, so I'm going to try to set it up, and then I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I just figured out how to do it, all right? So this one earlier, I was thinking I just pull this out, but you can't do that. There's a little button back here where you push it, and then it releases it, right? Now you can open it, right? Or you can press it in and then release more, right? Then if you want to, when you put your phone on here, then you close it up. I got my Google. All right, let's try it. All right, I got my Google here. So, yeah, it's right there. And then you just, we don't need to see all that. We can close that. We just press it in, right? And then it's snug, right? And this one, that's it. Now, we're gonna put it together. And this one, this is the base. I really like the way how they designed this. So they thought this through, right? So this one, you see here, you can install this either like this, if you clamp it from, and then you put the things here, going this way, like this, and then you just tighten this. Or what you do is you can do it this way, right? And then you turn it up here. Either way, whichever convenient for you, better for you, but they give you an opportunity to set it up however it's your convenient. Really nice, really neat. I really like it, right? So, and they also give you a bunch of little clip here. You put it in, is really easy. This is for you to, let's say if you're gonna charge the thing, so you run the wires down, very neat, right? Then I got one more, the last one, that I'm gonna show you guys just how it clips and how easy it is. Just wanna show you guys, right? Like this. Let me do that. Let's, you see it? Push it in. There we go. It clips right there. And your phone, you charge your data cable or your charging phone right there. For this one, I don't know if you can see it, like that, and it just tighten this. Right? Like that, simple as that. One is tight already, and this one right here is for you to angle. So, and once you get to the angle to your liking, or do you just tighten it? I'm just gonna give you an example, right? So you tighten it, you're good to go. And then for the upper part right here, this one, all you gotta do, just push it together and it should clip together. Let's see if I can push it. There we go, and it's in. All right, so here I just do a quick demo setup for you. So as you can see, once you put the phone in, and then you can tighten all these angles right here, right? Angles here, whatever there. And like I was reviewing something on the bottom right here, I would have like a perfect angle from here down, and I can change it, I can twist it, I can do all this, right? But if once I like the way it is, and then I just tighten it, and then make it still perfect. And then when I record, it's gonna be from this side down, and you don't see the little portions here, right? Or it can go a little bit further out, which is really neat, right? I can't wait to actually demo a review or do an actual video of how I set up and do a review for you guys. But I think, look at this, very sturdy, right? Very nice. And you can fix this to any angles that you like. Very sturdy, guys. Very, very sturdy. You can see that. And then this, you recorded about here. Kind of like it. Really, really good. Very, very nice designs. So far, this whole thing here, it has springs on both sides. And this is like metal. This is like a hard plastic. And you're going all the way up. Two more springs over here, right? And it has at the angle here, or at the, yeah, they have like this lever that you can tighten it to make it straight here, here, here. So this is a really nice setup, you know. Really, really like it. I think it's like under 20 bucks. So you can't go wrong with it, right? So yeah, that's pretty much for this video, guys. Hopefully eventually soon I can do an actual recording using this, like at the top down angle, right? So, but other than that, I'll list all the information in the description part, so just in case if any of you guys want to buy the same thing, right? But be safe. Till next time.